Man wicked, Bounty Killer has joined the chat and me not gonna lie, me did know say me go respond and me did expect this exact response. Remember it was just yesterday, you know, me do a video when Vybz Kartel a bash various amount of artists where I do dubs for the politicians them. The same politician them where I fight dancehall. And in the video I mention Kartel having a song bigging up 3 female politicians. And I said the song is a women empowerment song. Not a political song for a specific party, nor was it a campaign. The Vybz Kartel song Boss Lady, basically I tell women say stand up, be strong and be a boss. Like Portia Simpson, like Babsy Grange. And a few people in the comments say I'm biased because Kartel still big up politician. And now him a bash the youths them where I do dubs for them. And them a say it are the same thing, which it is not. So now Bounty Killer, the general, step in for really teach you know why him turn down all the requests for dubs. And remember you know this a Bounty Killer we are talk about. If a man for know anything and everything about dancehall, Bounty are the right man for link. So him know the success of dancehall, him will know how the future of dancehall look, and him know the fights where dancehall get over the years. And that's why I say Kartel right with what him say, you know, but him can at least cut the young youth them some slack because them no know better. Most of them not stand for dancehall. Most of them just see it as an individual thing where them can make money. So them not plan for bring dancehall upon them back and bring it around the world. No. Them okay with just YouTube trending. Them no business about make it on Billboard and hitting international charts, making more people know about dancehall. Like bringing dancehall the genre. No, a quick money in them pocket feel better than doing the actual hard work. And Buju Banton said it best from him there at prison and come back, dancehall up on the same level. Make we jump to what Bounty Killer say. Bounty Killer post a picture of Peter Bunting, an old article. The same Peter Bunting where Stylo G do the dub fan say Bunting out and stunting. When really Bunting out and stunting while poor people out there starving and hunting. And Bounty find that old article here and post it. Say him now diss them but him just a show people why him can't be a hypocrite and know say that same politician there and the others say yo, dancehall a push crime. And them a blame everything pan dancehall. Them a say, them a do them job and crime is on the decrease. But because of the popular culture, which is dancehall, it a hamper the government's efforts. It a raise up back the crime while the government a bring it back down. And then a man go sing a bad man song again and it raise up back the crime again. And you know which artists get all of the blame? Yes, truly, Vybz Kartel. I'm not gonna run through the whole article there because I will eat more about. You even have the Gleaner did put out a story to pan Popcorn and say yo why Popcorn a raise crime with him song El Chapo and one bag of fart. Zin, you have the whole of them article there for different set of artists. Now you have whole heap of artists who don't experience it as yet. Them not really experience a personal fight and that's why I say most of them not in it for dancehall. You know how some artists would say yo, I love dancehall, you know. And you see my style of music, I could bring something to the table, you know, and help bring dancehall to the world. And then you gotta have some artists who pre like, yo, I can sing some tune and make some money, you know. And them not even realize say a dancehall and make that possible. But when dancehall forget a fight now, and all of the real artists them step up and say, yo, no, you can't do that, that's not right because a dancehall feed whole heap of people, a dancehall bring in the tourists them, a dancehall do this and dancehall do that. You have the little man there in the corner and say, eh? And me personally, I get a fight, you know, me just want to make my money. When everybody will say dancehall should not stand together and should not stand for it, you gotta have a man will say, yo, me never get this directly, you know. So, yeah. And that's why Bounty post and say, I'm not trying to bash nor condemn or tell anyone what to do. I'm just telling y'all it's not right. Based on dancehall fundamentals, it was that independent platform for the masses plus the pressure and disrespect we face from higher society over the years of poppy show business folks. But to each his own or her own. You know how many politicians reach out to me and got declined because what? I am the poor people governor until death. We shouldn't be helping to foster the trust of the people for the leaders. Their policies and characteristics should determine that. Let me chip him a Bounty Killer impersonation for a second. So you tell me, say, this is how them plan for win? So what? Nobody not promise for nothing? This is how them plan for win? Is a blood clot dub session this? Youth, tell the people where you give them for them vote. Don't make me get cross. I know I'm not sound good. You don't have to tell me. But Bounty Killer could have gone way harder than this. Bounty Killer could have said so much more. But I guess him just posting the Peter Bunting. That throwback pic there. Already said a lot, so I'm not even have to explain. And me neither, I'm not gonna dig up back every time when them blame dancehall, every time when them deal with dancehall like the high school dropouts and look down upon an essential part of our culture. That wouldn't take way long and it just wouldn't make no sense, because if you're alive, you're gonna see it. I just you don't want to remember it. So it's not all about money, principles, morals. Peter Bunting can't say dancehall a raise crime, it a increase the crime. And after him said that, him turn to you and say, yo, give me a dancehall dub so I can win my election. And you give him the dub. And that's why I say a straight facts, Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel attack. Politics only know dancehall when a election time, which is the same time when them know poor people and want them vote.
Mommy, I loving you. Mommy, I'm missing you, missing you. Mommy, I loving you, loving you. Mommy, I'm missing you, missing you.
And on the next topic, Chris Future did a song for his mother, and from the song, I'm guessing that him lose his mother. And I can tell say him and his mother did close. It must all painful for him make a song like this and thing. Him goodly all crying at the studio and all of that. And when I first see the song, I say, yeah, a dancehall artist do a song a big up mommy. But when I listen to it, I say, Jano. Imagine all when Shensi I do a song for your mother.
Sometimes I feel stressed out, you know. Now I'm gone to Toronto. Are you alone? No, my pain and suffering. Me been through the moment. No, father, are you alone? Bring food on the table. Most time I feel like take up one strap. But me have to think about moment.
You see the words them in that song, yeah? Powerful. And I can relate to it. The man say, sometimes I feel stressed out. I not have nobody for turn to. And are you alone? Know the pain and the sufferation I got through. Are you alone know my struggles, mommy? Not even my friend them. My nana father. Are you and my mother and my father? Are you put food on the table and make the impossible possible? Are you make me the man I am today? And me not lie. Enough time I feel stressed out. Enough time I feel like I pick up a gun. But then I think about you and say no. My mother would want that.
I let the love you give to me. Mommy, I loving you. Mommy, I loving you.
That song I did drop on Mother's Day, so I just make who never hear it now. But the artist recently dropped a music video, not for that song here, but for a different song called With Them. So I want to hear that too. And what I can say about Chris Future, the man consistent, you fret. The man is one of the most hard-working artists out there right now. If you check the man page, bass song, music videos, just a whole catalog. Him have fun song, bad man song, uplifting song, girl song, mother song, as well you say. So I could jump in at the music video. One of the most hard-working artists out there.
Yeah, I Chris Future again. Tell them, when I laugh with them, no. When I smile with them, no. When I laugh with them, no. When I smile at them.
I know why everybody I think. The man a big dancer in the video. But differently still I know why I like that song, yeah. Not just that I can relate to it, because I'm not skin teeth with people. But the song have a fun vibe to it. As you see, the man Eva dance to him own a song. For sure you the vibe what the song bring out. And although him talk facts say, yo, I not smile with them, I not laugh with them. And the song name With Them. Him still make it sound fun, although you have to take it serious. Don't smile up with them. Don't laugh up with them.
No, I'm a one of friend them try to sell me out. Couple piece of silver. To them say me thing a shot in her. Them they know when man used to wear one pants got studio. Recording her, yo. Bill I'm one of vice in her, dog.
Don't think a joke. You see them friend them where you have, and them will sell you out. Them sell out Jesus for 32 piece of silver. So who is you for sell out for evil less? And as what you hear Chris Future say, them a fight me now because my ambitious and them see me I go somewhere. Them see me I make money now. But them not remember the days when me I suffer. When me have to wear one pants go studio. Them not remember about the days when me I work hard and I sweat. I fear build my own voice because me no want sound like no man when me touching on the music business. Them know where me I come from. Them know where me go through. And now man I rise. Them want fight. Viewers and subscribers, you see say some friend now want to see you make it before them. But them no know say a time do this. I know everybody have the same time. And them for know say once you make it, them must can make it too. And them not even pre say you can help them. Instead, them want to fight you.
But more than money in the dog. Never beg no boy to sponsor me. No time at all, you know. Me not laugh with them, no. Me not smile with them, no.
Man, I think me have to say it, say the link in the description. You must know that. And it go there at the top of the comment section too. And it also go there at the end of this video right on the screen. So we are going to jump in at the second verse. Here we him say, in the second verse. And after this, you just go and go check out the song, support it. You don't know, click like. You know the thing go.
Woman say for what my friend them when me keep on that dog. She tell me say, yeah, dog eat dog, dog eat dog. Eye for eye and a two for two dog. No boy can take my food so easy.
And him bring up back him mother. You see some smart with the review them. Me review the mother song and me review that song yeah, which the two of them have been in mother in there, obviously. And this is the close relationship him have with him mother. Him mother warn him, him mother teach him, him mother tell him say, yo, it's a dog eat dog world this. So don't trust nobody. Them will bite your hands even when you feed them. And that's why Chris Future say, yo, I never left my gun, you know. And the boy can't style me. So don't think say you can trick this year. Check out the two songs. The link I got in the description for the two of them. And me I put the With Them song in the comment section on top. So don't know the thing. Another nice like how bingo as usual. Man tough.